Seventech Design Studio is a company based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We're providing a total turnkey solution covering conceptual design and build solutions to our client. As everyone knows, design has no limitation, so it never stops us from exploring new designs. Every masterpiece our creative team will push to the limit to create something unique and distinct. So in this channel, we would like to share some of the projects we have accomplished. We will cover from interior to exterior design concepts. Through these years we have completed quite some projects, so we could able to cover 2 to 3 videos weekly on our channel. As designers, we will always look for good and reliable furniture, decor, appliances, and many more. So we also have a plan on making a video related to product review on design with style, ingenuity, or practicality. So do subscribe to our channel for more updates coming soon to you. Thank you and have a nice day.